Oh hey, did you need some help crocheting the arms into your elephant, Lovey? Don't worry, I'll show you how. This is the last round of crocheting the body, and it's really just a bunch of single crochets all around the body. Or the neck, the shoulders, whatever. Let's just do it.
This is round 34 of the body, and it starts by putting a single crochet in the next 8 stitches. I hope this angle isn't too bad. I'm filming in a new location and still trying to figure things out here. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Alright, now it's time to work in one of the arms. We're going to be crocheting through the exposed loop on the arm and joining them with the next available stitches on the body. So before we get started, make sure the nails are facing to the left. Then line up what should be the 9th and 8th stitch of the last round of the arm. And line that up with the next available stitch on the body and single crochet all of those together. You'll continue joining the arm to the body by crocheting through these exposed loops, and make sure you count your stitches. When you're all the way across the arm, you should have 8 stitches. Be sure to go through the exposed loop closest to you and then the one directly across from that. You also want to make sure you go into the next available stitch on the body, which can sometimes be a little bit difficult to see. That's why you see me flipping this arm around, just to make sure I don't go through the same stitch twice or skip one. Once you've made it all the way across the arm, put a single crochet in the next 11 stitches on the body only. Now you're ready to work in the second arm. Position this one so the nails are on the right. Then insert your hook into the front loops of what should be the 1st and 16th stitches in that last round of the arm. Then go through the next available stitch on the body and single crochet all of that together. Continue working to completely join this arm into the body by crocheting through the exposed loops on the arm and then into the next available stitch on the body. Remember to go through the exposed loop closest to you and then the one directly across that. Once you've gone all the way across the arm, you should have 8 stitches there. When you're done, you should have 1 stitch remaining in this round, and you'll just put a single crochet in there. You should have a total of 36 stitches in this round, and if I were you, I'd make sure to count them before moving on, because it's really easy to make a mistake when you're joining these pieces together, so better safe than sorry. This is actually the second time I'm filming this step because my stitch count was off the first time I did it. I somehow had an extra stitch, but now it's all good.
I hope you were able to follow along and everything's coming together nicely for you. At the time I'm releasing this tutorial, the pattern isn't available yet, but if you sign up for my newsletter, you'll know when it's coming out. I'll leave a link in the description. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how to keep crocheting the body and we'll start making the head. That's going to be it for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more. Thanks for watching. Can you come to this side?
I tell you, my work, no joke, I have to move around so much. Get my cardio in.
I think at this side.